So first of all, we discuss few things of SAP. As you said, you are in a this security admin. Okay, that is also part of
Hmm.
SAP because in SAP basis there are two
Okay.
components: SAP basis admin and SAP basis security. Okay,
Okay.
the guy who
Okay.
does only user creation, role creation, and removing of roles, removal of authorizations, giving of authorizations, but he has to continuously monitor the system as per authorization concept. We have 4 to 5 sessions on authorization concept. When we turn into that role type, that time we will see everything. We have done so that we do everything in detail. But first of all, you know what is SAP? SAP is an ERP company.
Uh-huh.
It is an ERP package where we have more than 120 modules. Where we have more than 120 modules, but from that 120 modules, only SAP Basis and SAP ABAP are the purely technical modules. Purely
Okay.
remaining other modules, like if you heard about SAP MM, SAP PP, SAP SD, all those things are there, but they are called as a functional, not technical, functional. Who handle those? Those handle the okay?
Sir, are you speaking on speaker or hands-free?
Speaker only.
Yeah, could you please connect your headphone?
Like when I connect my headphone, you're telling me you are not able to listen to, that's the problem. 1 minute, I'll connect my headphone and show you. If it is okay, one at a
Okay.
time. Now you see, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah, now I can hear you.
Very good, very good. Yeah. So today we will discuss because whenever you go, have you where we are? Yeah. So it was invented in 1972 by 5 ex-employees of IBM.
Okay. Okay.
Okay? And they struggle for 20 years from 72 to 92. They first still in the market as a SAP in 1992. Okay. Then when
Okay.
they want sales, nobody want to purchase it because they already have a ERP package with them. Because in 1992, if it's a big company, we cannot control the whole company data without a computer programming. Are you accepting that?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, I can.
Everybody has their own programmings or own setups at their places. When SAP people go for sales, and SAP has high price at the from beginning itself because
Mm-hmm.
they made everything very easily available to the customers. But customer didn't understand. They don't want to purchase because they don't want to demolish their old existing software and install SAP. Nobody believes SAP in the beginning. And who are the rivals for SAP? Who are the rivals? BAN. Have you heard about BAN software? BAAN BAN.
Ban software is.
Yes.
Yes, I have heard Ban.
Yeah, is a ERP. Okay. And have you heard about JD
Okay.
Edwards? JD Edwards.
JD Edwards. Yes, I'm aware of.
Yes, very good. And PeopleSoft.
I
PeopleSoft.
know that.
Yeah, and Oracle applications. These are the four
Right.
rivals of SAP. Okay. Somebody says
Mm-hmm.
we have BAN. Somebody says we have Oracle application. Somebody says we have JD Edwards. So we don't require this SAP from you. But
Okay.
the old
Mm-hmm.
business people doesn't understand key if they want to run business, they have to implement BAN also, PeopleSoft also, and this JD Edwards also, and Oracle also, because BAN only works for inventory and stock. Okay.
Okay.
And this JD Edwards works only for sales and marketing. And this PeopleSoft
Mm-hmm.
only works for HR solutions. And Oracle application works
Okay.
only for the FI team. But if you
Mm-hmm.
they take SAP from us, okay, then they will have everything under one umbrella. But they will work with any module with one software only. But nobody wants to see that also because they want to demolish because SAP has seen everybody install 4 softwares, 4 hardwares, 4 OS licenses, 4 DB licenses. They also get fed up with all these things. They don't want to invest new money.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll do one thing, Avadesh, I'll send you one video of my demo session. You go through with that demo. In that demo, I'll explain everything properly, how and why. the how come SAP come into existence in a proper way?
Okay.
I'll send you the video. I'll show. I have the
Sure, sir.
document. I'll show you one more thing. 1 minute. So this is the thing. See
Mm-hmm.
this BAN, PeopleSoft,
Okay.
JD Edwards, Oracle
JD
application.
Edwards.
BAN is used only for
Mm-hmm.
inventory and stock solutions. PeopleSoft used only for HR solutions. JD Edwards for the expert in sales, and Oracle applications. They can cover entire finance sector. But you will find all these
Okay.
under one umbrella with the help of SAP. SAP found
Right.
all companies are invested huge amount of money on these ERPs. If anything, if BAN is not working, everybody says ideal. Okay. So here, what SAP
Mm-hmm.
seen, they have different OSs, different licenses for OS, different licenses for hardware, different licenses for DB. It's a huge investment in 1992.
Okay.
Then SAP made a revolution. What they made some more changes in their existing software. Like they made SAP as OS independent. They made SAP as DB independent. They made SAP as hardware independent. It means what? OS independent means your SAP work on any OS. You tell me your OS,
Any OS.
any
Any.
OS. Any OS means
Right.
server OS, not operating systems. Okay.
Hmm.
Matlab, you can't say
Okay.
it will work on Windows 7, it will not work, but it will work on Windows Server.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And DB independent.
Okay.
They make SAP to work on any DB. Because see, when you go for sales,
Okay.
when you go for if I come to sales to your office, tell me, we have the software. I just want to sell to you, and you are the lead person over there who approve. But you are the
Hmm.
lead. You are a very expert in MaxDB. You have 12 years experience in
Hmm.
MaxDB, and I told you
Hmm.
SAP work only with Oracle. What do you say? I don't want, because if you take Oracle, you have to hire somebody and you have to depend on somebody.
Right.
So, what SAP made? They made SAP as DB independent. You can work with SAP on any database. Like if you have DB2, you can work with. You can have MaxDB, you can work with.
Hmm.
SQL Server, you can work with.
Hmm.
Sybase, you work with. Oracle also work with.
Hmm.
And now HANA also you can work with.
Hmm.
Okay. And
Hmm.
somebody have said their own brands. Somebody wants only Intel. Somebody wants only HP. Somebody wants only IBM. Somebody wants only Dell. Okay, if you say SAP work on Intel, you may lose many orders.
Right.
If you say it will work only on HP, people say no, we believe IBM. I don't want SAP. I'll go with IBM
Right.
only. People are there. So what SAP
Okay.
made? They made hardware independent. You can take any hardware, you can install SAP on top of that.
Mm-hmm.
मतलब Windows Server, Linux, AX, Sun Solaris, HP UX. But on this all OS you can install SAP. In all these DB you can install SAP, and all this hardware you can use. But once they made all these huge changes in existing software, now again they go for sales, and now they ask customers, sir, which OS DB you are using. If customer says we have Windows Server and we have Sybase and we have Intel, then what is the answer? Yes, sir, we can install SAP on top of that. You don't want to purchase OS license, you don't want to purchase DB license, and you don't want to purchase new hardware. On your existing hardware with existing licenses, we'll install SAP on that. Then people started thinking about that. Oh, no need to pay anything. And first they show us the demo. If okay, then we'll purchase. Then people are thinking to go for it. Okay.
Right.
Now somebody says we have AX with Oracle, with HP. They say, oh, SAP will go with that only. Now people started accepting SAP offer because SAP don't want anything from them. They just want their hardware, their DB license, their OS licenses, and the existing hardware, some space on hardware. On top of that, they install. Now, what they have done, they choose 1,000 customers from entire world. You know what is SAP
Okay.
now? You know SAP using how many countries? Do you know that? SAP using in how many countries?
No.
SAP
Nope. 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 I don't know.
being used in 190 countries till today. 190 countries, 190,
Okay.
where India is a country
Okay.
where they already had 1.5 lakhs installations in India itself.
Okay.
You just imagine what is the growth of this.
Right.
You cannot lock yourself to Delhi, Calcutta, Mumbai. You can open a wings to entire world.
True.
Okay, so that is the reason why
Mhm.
SAP ruling the world from last 30 years, and
Okay.
it supports more than 100 industries.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the industry over here? So where do you live, Avidesh? Where are you from?
I'm in, I'm in Delhi.
Very good. Yes, Delhi. See, industry means what? Industry means a manufacturing
Industry means
industry.
like it could be financial industry, it could be manufacturing industry, it could be procurement industry, it could be
Exactly.
a
Exactly.
sales and distribution, etc.
Yeah, exactly. See what happened? As you said, you're in Delhi. If you go to any street of Delhi, you find one ERP over there. You go to each
Hmm.
street, you will find one ERP. You go to medical shop, you find one
Hmm.
ERP. If you go to DMart, you find one
Right.
ERP. You go to Big Bazaar, one. But what happened? Those ERPs are specially coded for that product only. If you take Big Bazaar ERP to
Hmm.
electronic shop, it will not work. It stop working. If you take electronic shop ERP to furniture shop, it will not work. Matlab, they are specially coded for particular industries.
Right.
They don't have much life. Like if I manufacture a software, I'll sell it to you. You're a medical store. I'll sell it to 50 medical
Hmm.
stores, but I cannot change my industry to food industry. I cannot give that
Right.
to food industry. It will not work. So SAP has,
Correct.
but what SAP has, if you go to SAP, tell ki, sir, I'm in chemical industry. Do you have solution? SAP said, we have solutions for you, sir. Welcome. I have a hospital. I go to SAP and ask, sir, do you have solution for us? Yes, we do have software for you also. If I am in food industry, hotel industry, yes, sir. And construction, yes. That is the reason why people started using SAP globally
Hmm.
because of these 100 industries. In Delhi, you find 1,000 ERPs, but if you take those softwares outside Delhi, it will not work. But SAP will work with all 100 industries. That is the reason why SAP has global reach to 190 countries. And one more thing, if you go to Dubai, you find SAP in Dubai language. You know that?
Ah, yeah, I know that.
If you go to France, because I work with France, German, Dubai peoples, most probably, that German,
Hmm.
France, so they do use SAP. If they send any other screenshot, it's in French only, it's in German only.
Right.
But there is no language barriers also. And tax policies. If
Hmm.
you started working in US, it take all US tax policies. If you work with
Right.
Singapore,
Okay.
it will take Singapore. But then it has got all you can remodel things as per your requirement. SAP has got all those
Okay.
standards. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, now come again. Now they started. They choose 1,000 customers in entire world, and they install SAP on top of that in all customers. And what they do after installing, they train people how to do entries in how to do entries in SD, how to do entries in FI. Okay, no problem. And they maintain this for next 9 months because if you want to prove something, you need a live data.
Right.
You need, and urge, they request every consultant telling that whatever entry you made in your old ERPs, please do same entry in our ERP also, in SAP also. And they continually made a follow-ups for next 9 months. Now they will
Hmm.
ready. Now they have SAP has data to show. Again they visit client and they'll ask clients, sir, say if you want purchase report, if you want sales report, if you want vendor list, if you want stock on date, total payment, everything like they ask about 30 reports. Then what customer says? Customer says it will take 10 days for us. Why 10 days? Because they are using 4 ERPs. They are using 4 ERPs. They have to collect data from each thing and they have to put into Excel. They have to run many things, this and that. After for 10 days also, the stock is not accurate because if you take stock on 1st Jan and you report on 10th Jan, between 1st Jan and 10th Jan, you made sales, no?
You're right.
You don't have actual stock any point of time. If some vendor asks ki, I want this stock, do you have a stock? You will say, sir, wait for 2 days. Nobody will wait for you. Because of that, they made
True.
huge losses. But the recipe, what recipe tell? So we will take only 4 hours for first time. Whatever 40 rupees you want, na,
Hmm.
we'll take only 4 hours first time. Second time you will get in 2 seconds. First time, why? First time, 4 times.
Hmm.
they'll take help of ABAPer and make
Because
reports. They'll take help of ABAPers.
right.
They file some purchase report, tables, sales tables, vendor tables, stock tables, and make one report. Okay. See, 3 o'clock you are
Okay.
meeting. 3 o'clock you are meeting. 2:58 to run the report and get actual stock. This is my stock. Stock in my hand. That's it. So when people seeing all these things, in every 2 seconds they will get report. Okay. They get mesmerized. They started using SAP from that day onwards.
Mm-hmm.
From that day onwards, they have started using SAP. This is a small introduction of SAP for you. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have some idea what is SAP, why SAP and all. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Now what we will do? Now see, as you said, you're working in IBM. You want to switch yourself to SAP. When you switch yourself to SAP,
Mm.
very good. When you go for job, first they will ask, Avadesh, have you done an implementation? That is the first part they ask you. Yes, you say yes, I
Right.
have done, because the implementation means A to Z of SAP.
Mm-hmm.
See, yeah, if I'm asking you, you tell ki I'm a BTech. BTech means you complete your first standard, second standard, 10th standard, 12th. Then only you take BTech, na?
Right.
So here also implementation means if you say client ki I have an implementation, matlab you work with all the things in SAP from A to Z.
Mm-hmm.
If you
Okay.
say client, if you interviewer, "Ki I have done one implementation or two implementations," then they have a confidence in saying that
Mm-hmm.
ki, how they said touch all part of SAP, because in implementation you have
Okay.
to touch each and every part.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what is,
Okay.
have you heard about this as is to be? I think you may heard this as is to be, because you security you might know this as is to be. Have you heard this?
Yes.
This
Yes.
word as is to be. Yes,
Yes.
exactly. Very good. So as is means the present
एज इज
system.
मतलब जो जैसा है वैसे ही रहने दो, ठीक है,
Hmm,
इसी पे आगे करेंगे।
hmm.
और टू बी मींस आगे कैसा होगा, क्या करना है,
Exactly. As is means the
या फिर
current
चेंजेस।
system. As is means current system. To be means the
हाँ।
change new system.
राइट।
To be simplified, as is means present ERP. To be means the SAP ERP.
राइट।
Okay. From, if you want to jump from as is to be, there are some phases to fast. There are phases. These phases we called as a phases of implementation.
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन।
Okay.
ओके।
Phase of implementation means if you go through from as is and to be means you have to cross some phases of implementation. And how many phases are there in
ओके।
implementation? There are 5 phases. There are 5 phases. What are those? The
5 phases।
first phase is requirement gathering. Second phase is blueprint. Third
ब्लूप्रिंट।
phase is realization. Fourth
रियलाइजेशन।
phase is test and training. And fifth phase is go live.
गो लाइव।
Okay? And after go live, we do have post go live support. We do have post go live support.
पोस्ट गो लाइव सपोर्ट।
Yeah. I think you also do all these things in a security also for some reasons.
यस, वी डू दैट।
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I
So
mean, this is done when we are going to install new product, but when
exactly,
it comes to the support, it is only support which is for the environment which is already stable.
exactly. But we in our course we'll cover everything. We'll cut support part also. We'll cut upgrade part also.
Mhm.
We'll cut patching part also, and we'll cover this implementation part also.
Okay.
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 So what is requirement gathering? Simplified to simplify this thing. When a client like IBM, any company had IBM people or Accenture people or Capgemini people, any ex company people to implement SAP product in their environment or in their landscape. So what your company will do? Your company will send 5-10 people to the existing business areas, matlab to the client place. You have to go to client place
Mhm.
and gather some information. You will get 4 weeks for this. You will get 4 weeks of it. In this 4 weeks, what you
4 weeks.
will do? Yeah, 28, 30 days you will get. You do complete your work in 3 days, take rest for 25 days. You complete your work in 15 days, take rest for next 15 days. But after 13 days, you cannot say, "Ki, I don't have anything."
Right.
Okay. After that, if people IBM
Mm-hmm.
ask you, any your manager ask you, how is this? What you done? No, sir. Sorry, I'm not able to do anything. Miss, they fired you on the next second. They
Mm-hmm.
will give you 30 days time and saying that key you can do it in 3 days or 30 days, up to you. But 31st day when I ask you, you have to tell me everything what you have done over there. Okay. Then what happened? The
Right.
consultant
Right.
did the client place to know the process of their existing business. Because see, manufacturing different processes, sales different processes, automobile different process, construction different processes. You have to go and see minimum. You see, any company you take, any branch, any company, uh, any industry, they do have minimum 40, 50 custom mining processes for their business, which they are using from last 10 years, 20 years, 30 years.
Mm-hmm.
Agreed? So when you go there, they tell we prepare bill like this. Okay. When you go, they tell we do payments like this. We apply for loan like this. We take material from stock like this. Matlab, they show you the process. So what you want to do, the consultant with the client place to the process within business and try to redevelop same processes in SAP. That's your duty. So what MM will do,
Okay.
MM will go and meet purchase manager. Purchase manager tell na ki how we purchase goods, how we place the order, how we receive the goods, how we keep goods in go down, how we release goods to these site peoples and all. So how to make entries. They will show show minimum 15 processes. Then concerned had to jot it down everything in his language. Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this. Now he has to frame everything in SAP areas. He has to frame everything into SAP areas. Now SD, he will meet sales manager. Once you are complete finished product, now you need sales. For sales, what do you need? You need vendor, you need packaging, you need transportation, you need courier charges, these charges, airbag charges, your profit loss, everything. Okay, you have to go meet sales manager. Then FI is the most critical part. You have to go and meet accounts head.
Mm-hmm.
And account minimum two people is required, because FI is a structure where your business get fumbled. If you do one wrong entry, your whole business get fumbled next second only.
True.
So what do you want? You need two expert consultant visit the place and spend 12 hours a day to get everything, because you have to reconvert everything into SAP. If you want three consultant, take the consultant also, but get things done in those days, because FI has many processes: the ledgers, journal entries, style balances, balance sheets, liabilities, assets, stock in hand, payment received, total liabilities, GST, tax policies. You know that they have a hell lot of things in
Right.
FI. Okay, they have to take everything from the client. Now, basis admin, S4 admin or basis admin. Now come to your area. What you will do? You have to also go to the client place and you have to meet IT head, okay, VP
Mm-hmm.
head
Okay.
or IT manager. Because if you go and meet purchase manager, he cannot help you, because they don't
Correct.
know, he don't know anything about the network routing and all. If you go to IT head, he will
Right.
show you some flow charts. Ki Avidesh, these are flow charts how this business will handle it through this network. VP head, vice president of
Mm-hmm.
IT, he also has some ideas. If he doesn't have idea, he take help from a network team. Call network guy and sit
Right.
in front of you and telling ki, please explain our architecture to him. Okay. Or IT manager
Mm-hmm.
is working there from last 10 years or 20 years. He has that total knowledge. What is a router? What is the IP address? How switches are operating? How data sent outside? How they block outside world and everything. Okay. Now try to understand the network. You have to try to understand internet and intranet. You don't know what is intranet within the building,
Yeah, I know that.
between the building, outside the building.
Right.
Even they check with the firewall rules. They have to check how they protect incoming, outgoing traffic from all levels, and check SSO. If they
Mm-hmm.
have single sign on, everything you have to check from your side. And you
Right.
ask 30 IP addresses from them. 30 IP addresses.
Mm.
30, 40, 50, depending upon your company size, depending on the landscape. Because You have to book IPs prior to installation. They will give one range. Like
Right.
I just give example 1 to 40. If you ask 10 IP addresses, okay, from 1 to 10, after a few months you go, they will not give from 11 because 11 is given to somebody else. Then you
Mm.
have to take from 50.
Right.
If somebody asks you, if the IT manager, if somebody asks you what's your IP range, so you have to tell, sir, 10.0.1 to 40. It's good to say. If you say, sir, we have IP range from 10.0.01 to 10.0.10, then again 10.41 to 60, then again 81. It's not looking good in corporates.
Right.
So you have to book IPs. You may not use for next 5 years, next 7 years down the line, but you have to
Mm-hmm.
book IPs. This is especially for SAP. If somebody comes to IT people and ask IP, they will give after 41 because you booked this for your SAP.
Right.
Okay, and this process will take 3 to 4
Mm-hmm.
weeks. Not for you, for everybody. Everybody.
Right.
Matlab, now MM has something, SD has something, FI has something, and you also have something. You understand? Okay, I'll come there. I'll come with the servers. I'll start installation with IP address. These are firewalls rules. I have to open this port. I have to close this port. I'll start working on this. You take some points. Okay. Now you have to go to your
Mm-hmm.
office. You have to go to your manager now. Now the blueprint phase come. The first phase ends up after 1 month. You have to go to your boss, your manager. Here what
Mm.
happened? Here they share the knowledge and the process for the current project. The MM people as they sits in a one room, they started at talking about the project. They said ki MM will work like this, SD will work like this, FI will work like this, basis will like okay. So they have to make some PPTs or pictorial diagrams for the whole flow of the project. What is the disturbance from your side,
Okay.
Avdesh? There's a lots of disturbance.
Okay. I'll mute myself.
Yeah, you would present.
I mean, I'm sitting in an isolated places. I don't know why it is coming. Let me mute.
Yeah, no problem. They made PPTs or pictorial diagrams for the whole flow of the project. They present is to the customer. Okay, one PPTs happen like 40, 50 slides are there. Okay, it's checked with my manager. Okay, now they have to take appointment from the client manager or client IT head or client people and try to show them the entire flow of the project because they are the people who know the business from like 20 years. I'm not telling you have made mistakes, but they are the experts. They'll tell, sir, please make 4 slides, these changes, 7 slides, some changes, 12 slides, some changes, because they know business better than you. They are working from last 20, 22 years in the business with that flow. Okay. So don't you do all changes, whatever they want. Okay. Then approve it. Then show the total flow from first slide to next slide. And they they agreed upon what they agreed when we'll get system from you, system should be like this only. That is the proof of concept for them. We have to give the copy of that PPT to them. When they go live, they'll match everything with the PPT, each flow. If they want to make any changes, they inform you. They'll inform you, sir, make this change in 34 slide, 37 slide, because our business should be like this, because we know business well than you. No problem, you accept that and make a new flow chart and start working on that. Okay. So this process will take 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, you have to make PPTs, you have to make pictorial diagrams, you have to take appointment from the client, you have to again with the client place or through internet to show them and accept what are changes you need to do all those changes and again send the final copy, take approval from the client. Okay, this is the what we are going to work from tomorrow. Okay. Now what's your duty is done. Now you are done with your requirement phase and you're done with your blueprint phase. Now the phase come the realization phase where actual work starts. So what is this actual work? Actual work means from blueprint you put everything into system. But till now you have the documentation. Now you have to put everything from the documentation to the live system. From documentation you have to put everything into the live system. Okay, for that basis needs to be actively install development system and give it to the functional team. For this, basis actively install the system. Which system? Development system. Okay, and give it to the team, creating few users. Okay, the developer user, functional team user, all these things, and create some roles for them. Give it to them. They will start configuring thing according to their blueprint. Okay, they try to put everything from PPT to the live scenario. This phase lead by project managers, project leads, and project heads. Because if you do any small mistake over here, you will not able to deliver your project on time. Because this is the project, this phase takes lots of time, lots of patience, and lots of rechecking, lots of follow up. If you miss anything over, if you put some fresh project manager, a fresh project lead, a fresh project head, he never able to deliver. The people who works on 2 3 implementation, they faces many issues in realization phases. They will be able to deliver these things on time. Now I'll do one thing. I have some flowcharts for you. I'll just show it on a Excel sheet. Then you will able to understand it's in good manner. We will take a model for 10 weeks. Model for 10 weeks. Okay. I will take MM, SD, FI, ABAP, basis. Okay. So here what happened? Actually, this goes for 36 weeks, 48 weeks, 50 weeks, depending upon your project size, depending upon how many modules you're going to implement, depending upon how many processes you need to be implement in this time scenario. But everything is properly scheduled for all the peoples. Here what happened? I'll just give you example. This is for 10, this is the 10-week project, a small 10-week project. First week, you just kick off and start the meeting. People started working. You never call. Second week, you never call them. Third week, you never call them. Fourth week, also you do the same thing. Fifth week, also same thing. Sixth, you are so busy. You are the busiest person. You are a project manager. You have to handle 4 5 projects. So you don't have time to call them. You call them in the ninth week. You call them in the ninth week. Ask MM where is it, everything is done. They tell us yes, we are trying our best. No, no, no. What's the position? I have given some project works to you. Where are you now? It's which phase you are? They tell us we are on fifth week, sir. Okay, no problem. We are on fifth week. Actually, you have to be ninth week. You are in fifth week. Now you ask SD, hey, what are you doing, sir? So we are in sixth week. But we are working day night. We are in sixth week. FI, we are in fourth week, sir. We are working day night. We are working. We are in fourth week. Now you tell me the ABAP trading, sir. We are in sixth week, but we are working 24% working. We are in basis. Basis also says I am on seventh week, but I am working day night. Okay, no problem. But here what happened? You left with only 1 week. You are almost at deadline, and this is the information you have. What do you think? Are you able to deliver project on time? No, not possible. Matlab, you have to pay penalty. You know that if you are not able to deliver things on time, you need to pay penalty to the client, because client also sits for you from 1 year, 40, 30 weeks, 40 weeks, stopping his business. He, he put some faith on you, you are going to deliver things on time. But many companies did this in the past. They made they paid a huge penalty. If it's a foreign client, they'll penalize you like anything. Okay. So what is the outcome of this? What is the outcome of this? You have to take follow up every third week. Okay. When project is going to near to completion, you have to take follow up every week, because a 10-week project I'll show you like this. And when only 2 weeks are left, you have to take follow up every day. In these conditions only, you can able to deliver things on time. Otherwise, tata bye bye. So who do all these things? The person who already works on an implementation, the person who already worked on this phase and having many issues and solve this on time and deliver things on time, you only able to manage this. Now sure, I'll just give example. In this also, after follow-up, so what happened? You see, third week, you give some, you know that in third weeks, you know the project is 10 weeks, you divide your whole process in 10 weeks and give assignments to guy, SD guy, FI guy, ABAP and basis, saying that key we'll meet after third week. We have a meeting. You schedule a meeting after 3 weeks. Already scheduled. Okay. You send an invitation to everybody. We'll meet after 3 weeks. No problem. Now 3 week. What is the position after 3 weeks? MM seats here only. MM seats in first week only. Where is SD? SD seats here only. FI still in first week. ABAP, these are condition third week. What do you have to do? You have to take immediate action on that, because when you come to sixth week, everybody should be minimum on fifth week. Otherwise, again, is a big disaster and failure for you. So what do you need to do? Ask what happened, why MM? Then MM people said, sir, the processes are huge and processes are very new to us, because the consultant which you are hired, they are expert in food industry, but you put them into automobile industry, so it is very hard to match the scenarios from food industry to automobile industry. So you have to check people with the industry also before putting them onto the project. So what MM said, we need one consultant with automobile industry knowledge. Then we can able to do everything before sixth week. No HD. What happened HD? Yes sir, we are doing our best, but we need one more consultant, because project issues, processes are very large, processes are there. We need one more consultant for testing the scenarios. No problem. We'll keep. We almost complete 2 weeks. We enter into third week, but give me one consultant for testing, which will save our time, and we will catch up you on sixth week. Okay, no problem. FI. Then FI, what FI tell? No problem, sir. Here, the consultant, the client is very rigid for tax policies. Okay, very rigid with GST and tax policies. So we need one chartered accountant with FI knowledge immediately. Okay, with 6 years experience. Otherwise, we cannot handle this project, because consult this client is very rigid in tax policies. Okay, you need one chartered accountant with FA knowledge with 6 years. Okay, so what manager has to do? Immediately they have to take one consultant who is expert in automobile, take one consultant is fresher in HD for testing, and one FI consultant with chartered accountant certificate with FI knowledge with 6 years experience. Okay, no problem. Then ABAPS saying, see, we do our best for working. We already have team of 6. We need 3 more people. You know, ABAPS, we need 3 freshers for testing. Here where the fresher will get chance to work. Here where fresher will get a chance to work. Here also, if budget is very high, because chartered account we need to pay 3 lakhs per month minimum. So what they do, they take one chartered accountant, one very expert, and 2 freshers and put into that project. Otherwise, they will not able to handle project also, because budget is also there for project. So here the where SAP freshers will get chance to work on. If ABAPS 6 ABAPS, they would do coding continuously, because ABAPS has to code minimum 120 processes in a timeline, and each coding it will be up minimum 3 to 4,000 lines. They do coding. They know they just do copy paste. Okay, but they need to test it. They don't say ki ho gaya le lo. Not possible. Whatever they test according to scenario, they have to test what manager wants output. Okay, they need to test from the all keyboards of the keys of the keyboard, saying that if I press enter, what happened? If I press escape, what happened? If I press enter, if I press page up, what happened? Home, delete, everything. Every should be matched. So they need now basis. Basis tells key. I am I have no worries. I've installed development system, hand out to the people, and I'm waiting for the hardware. Hardware means they just deliver, vendor would just deliver the hardware for development. Now basis needs to hardware of quality and production. Now you have to take immediate action. Call vendor immediately, send our hardware. Basis people sit idle for you because basis has to act proactively work with the users because you need to install a quality server also and the production server also, and that too in time. Okay, this is the output of first week. Now they get everything. Now what is the result of second week? Everything is right. Now everything is matching. Coming to the fourth week, everybody complete fourth week. Now we also see again they are fumbling in SD, fumbling in ABAP. Again they have some queries. What SD people? One consultant left the organization without mentioning anything. He is not joining the project from last 4 days. You have to immediately manager Kisa, this person is not coming to the project on time, or is not only attending, is not coming only. So you have to recruit a pressure immediately SD guy. Matlab, whatever loopholes you are getting, na, you have to solve on that day only because you don't have time. You have to deliver things on time. So like this, everything comes under. You have to take reports when you're near to completion. You have to take everyday reporting. What happened? Why happened? How we can do every week. Then coming to later part, every day. Then every hour. But we need to deliver on time. That is what a goal. We need to follow. Well, if you go to any company, and if you see FI people, SD people working there, in front of their one sheet is there, then you imagine yourself ki, they are doing some implementation work and they match their work with the week because every day morning they see, oh, this is the fourth week, we are on second week, we need to work hard. They work 24/7. They know ki they need to achieve this well in time. Like this project gets delivered on time. But the fumbling comes, we have to work with and try to deliver things on time. Okay, deliver the project. Okay, like this. Now we are again coming to this part. Realization part is over now. Now you have this idea how these things are going. Just wait for a moment. I'll come. Just go a moment. Just be there.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yes. Now, now this realization phase gets over. Now we have turned into new phase called test and training phase. This is a critical phase which goes for minimum 8 weeks. This is the critical phase which goes for minimum 8 weeks. Okay. So here what happened? Here basis team has to ready with the quality system. When if they know the 1st of February is going to be a testing, then they have to start working on 10th of January only, because it takes 20 days to make system quality system ready. Once quality system is ready, you have to ask client who is the tester, who do testing, take the names, create the users, create the roles, because when SD people start testing, he has to access only to SD things. When FI start working, he needs to have access to FI only. The basis has to take care of all those things. First, build the system, install the system, upgrade the system, do all patching, kernels, everything. Then create users, create roles, then hand over system to the client. What they do, client will do test. What they'll test, because till now what you have done, like you've done some scenarios in MM, some in SD, some in FI. What client asks, you just give us to everything to us. We will match from our things. Then only we can approve. Because what happened? They have 120 documents, 120 scenarios. You have to take sign off in all documents. Sign off means customer is agreeing you have done perfect things for them. If they found any issues, they have to rectify there only. Because if they are not testing things and sign off, then again once they sign off means everything is accepted by the client, and if they want to modify something, then they have to pay money to you again. So the test people who do test, they have to do regressive test, otherwise management will fire them also, because the whole project lies in testing only. They have to do regressive test 1, 2, 3 times, positive test, negative test, escape test, everything. And what is the duty? Just find errors in the documents. From process 1 to process 120, they are finding only errors. If a process 2 has these errors, process 4 has these errors, process 6 has this error, process 120 has this error. So give it to the people, development will again, they rectify, then only they sign off. Okay. Here what happened? And training phase. What is this training again? Training means you are implementing SAP at their place very first time. They are the expert in their ERPs. They are working in their ERP from last 20 years, each end user. But if you give them SAP and tell them work, they will not. They are they are unable to work because they don't know how to operate SAP. Okay, they know the old ERP. So what we need to do, you have to train them. Who will train them? MM will train MM module, FI will train FI module, SD will train, and the companies are huge, companies are large. They have got 1,000 end users. So it is possible to train everybody under one umbrella, under one roof, not possible. So what you need to do, we have to select some managers, you have to select some leads. Okay, call them to the HO. It's not possible to you to move to each and every, like you have 50 branches, 60 locations. You are not possible to move 60 locations for you. It will take 2 years to move 60 locations. You train. Otherwise, you have to do. You have to call all leads from all the plants, all the locations. Okay, and train them. Train them. There's a policy to train them. How to train them? First 3 weeks you train them properly. Each step. Whenever you have to do this. You have to for the FI do this. MM do this. SD do this, all every for 21 days. You just keep mug up everything, your documentation, everything to them. And next to 2 weeks they will work. You just shadow them. Don't do don't tell. You just give them dummy PR, because they are doing everything in quality, no production. Okay, they are doing quality. They have to fill data, everything, testing. Okay, 3 weeks you train them. Next 2 weeks they will work. Just told if they work wrong also, no problem. Let it be. Then tell shadow them. Oh, if they really doing wrong, help them. Please don't do this. For next week you shadow them. 6th week you see they start working their own. They start working independently. They own, because you train them for 3 weeks. You shadow them for 2 weeks. 6th week they start work. If you give some MM document, he'll enter properly. SD document, enter properly. Now he's satisfied. Now remaining 2 weeks, they again fly to their destinations immediately. Now work is done. But testing is going on. It's for 8 weeks. 6 weeks work done. Now they again fly to their locations. They take all the people, all their locations, and train them for next 2 weeks or next 3 weeks. Now what happened? After 9 weeks, everybody is ready to work on SAP. All 1,000 people. What you did? You train only 40 peoples. You train only 40 peoples, guide them, everything, you documentation, help, phone help, on call help, on call support, everything. Then they go to the 40 locations, and each trains 20-25 people at their locations, how to work with how to with SD, how to with FI. Now all 1,000 people are ready for working. Matlab, this is the phase, and the test also done. All 120 document tested and signed, duly signed. See, again I'm telling, if you sign the things without testing, you will be in big trouble. Okay, because you have to take the bad things for the entire life. You cannot tell to management, "Ki, sir, this was the issue in that," because you only tested, sir, how what you do done at that time. So you have to test it. It will take 8 to 10 weeks, no problem. But and you know how many testers are there? Minimum 15 people are testing. 4 people for four for SD, four for FI. One people will not able to do. You can take 20 people because you have to complete this all documents in given period of time. Okay. Now this is also done. Now the go live phase come. Here where basis has to work with one more team member he had to join, because it is not possible. They have to build, the post go live date is March 1st. They decided March 1st the go live date. Then have to start working on first Feb only, because it will take a month's time to do all things in production. What you need to do? First you have to build production server, main thing. Okay, they have to do all basic configurations, pre-steps and post-steps. SAP, in all things you have pre-steps and post-steps. Patch upgrade, kernel upgrade. After that, this is done. 15 days time, everything is done. After that, you have to create 1,000 users. Take 3 days, 2 days, anything. But only creating users? No, you have to create roles. Not only roles, you have to test all roles with functional team. End user sits in somewhere in Singapore, somewhere in Sydney, somewhere in South Africa, somewhere in Calcutta. You give them user ID. User ID is 123. He logged in his SD user. You have to test his role. His SD means you have to give him only SD role. If you give FI role, again he calls, sir, I'm not, my system is not working. Then you have to take you have to you check. Then you in fumbling key, array is SD user and you give him a FI roles. How it works? Not possible. So you have to test all these things before handing over to the end user, because end users don't know about SAP. Whatever you give, he started working and started shouting. If anything stuck, he started shouting, started doing mails to all managers and all. Where here the time when basis has to work very politely, very sincerely, and very rigorous, very aggressively also. मतलब, you have to before handing over system, मतलब, you are handing over system to the client, and clients he doesn't know anything about SAP. These are the layman's. You have to do all these tests properly and test them ki go and start working on go live. See, once system is go live means all thousands are working and everybody started calling, mailing you. Every day you get 100 mails, 150 mails. User isn't working, password is not working, role is not working, not able to see screen, not able to print. All shit chat things are coming to you. Not only you have a functional team also. My screen not working, screen getting stuck. It will take more time to print. It will not like 100 mails. So here we have to go to post go live support or hypercare support. If you found 300 issues on day one, okay, whenever you leave the company, whenever you left the company after 40-45 days, because 1 or 1.5 month life care, we have to check ki only one error should be left in SAP. Matlab, total zero errors should be left. After that, people started working. Here where people getting learn more things, because you got a live errors, FI people, people, SD people, even basic people get live errors. Oh, this happened like this. Okay. Matlab, the learning is here only. This 45. This also you spend 9 months over here. You spend 2 months. You then you can say, okay, I have done the. When you complete this with zero error, then you can say somebody ki, I have done the implementation in successful manner. I have delivered the system in successful manner. When you can say not here, when you reach here, then you can say I have delivered system on time without errors. Now I have done all steps in it, because here every day you get 100 errors, 50 errors, you have to solve everything on time. Okay, this is what about phases. Okay, These what our phases, no problem. Tomorrow,
Right, sir.
you have any errors, you have any issues, like you have any doubts?
नो 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 डाउट्स। अच्छा, मुझे आप ये बता दीजिए हम लोग कल क्या पढ़ेंगे, सो दैट मैं उसको पहले ही पढ़ के आ जाऊं।
Tomorrow we are going to see the landscape of SAP.
लैंडस्केप एंड
Only landscape is a huge topic. One topic, one day. It will
ओके,
take 50 minutes. Landscape will take 50 minutes, make you understand. Then we will see architecture, how SAP
ठीक है
works.
ठीक है।
Then roles of basis admin.
अच्छा
Then release strategy. Then we
अच्छा
will start working on live server.
ओके, कल हम लोग
Landscape.
सिर्फ लैंडस्केप पढ़ेंगे, राइट राइट, नो
Yeah,
आर्किटेक्चर, नो रोल्स, नथिंग।
nothing. Only role. Only SAP landscape. Different types of
ठीक है,
SAP
आर्किटेक्चर
landscape.
तो नहीं है ना इसमें?
No. Architecture is a different part. It will take total one session, 1 hour.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
Tomorrow you are ready with different types of landscape in SAP. What is the landscape in SAP? And what are the different types of
ओके
landscape we use in SAP? We'll just go through with
ओके,
some documentation.
ठीक है
Then I'll
ठीक है
you come with some doubts also. I'm very happy. Okay.
ठीक है ठीक है।
So
अच्छा, आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपके पास लैंडस्केप की पुरानी वीडियो पड़ी है तो
hmm,
अगर आप मुझे वो सेंड कर दे तो मैं उसको भी एक बार सुन लूंगा, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग मैं आई प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ। हेलो,
I'll send you documentation of landscape. Okay.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है,
I'll send
वंडरफुल,
you
थैंक यू सर।
documentation. So you will get documents by 11 o'clock. You receive this document and the video also you will receive. Okay.
ठीक है, श्योर श्योर श्योर, वंडरफुल वंडरफुल।
So